So our next problem is about engraving. So we are going to use these parameters, and then we are going to show the sketch, engrave text, and then from there we'll create an engrave feature. Then we'll machine it with this tool. So after that, we are going to find the estimated machining time for this operation. So let's do that. Show text. Then I'll create a feature, an engraved feature. It's already selected, engraved feature, engraved text. So the end condition in the question is, the end condition here is the depth, which is 0.50 millimeters. So 0.5. So the depth is actually the depth of this engraved feature. So we are going to look at, so you see here, the direction of the blind is also important. So it has to go inside, not outside, so inside. Okay, so we have our engraved feature. So generate an operation plan, and so we have it over here. So we are going to edit the definition to have the parameters in the question. Alright, so we have our two counter. So the first cut amount, input value. So we remember to change here input value, not percentage. So most people make mistake with this one. So input value to 0.5. And then to set top of stock 3 mm. So turn off the gouge check. So gouge check is off. Leading type none. We have here leading amounts 10, well up 5, arc radius 10. So 10, 5, 10. Lead out type same as leading 52, 10, 70. Alright, so generate two parts. So we are going to look at the machining time. So it takes about 4 minutes to machine this. So let us simulate it first, then see if what we have is indeed correct. So simulate two part. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I think everything here is fine. Everything here looks perfect. Well, if you want to be sure, we can just simulate the whole thing and then look at it very well. So simulate two parts, next two. So we are going to simulate the facing and then the engraved. Alright, see the avoid areas. And then next to, so this is the facing operation. Next to is this. So it looks like there's nothing, but when you actually zoom, you can see the tool is right inside the material, right inside the material. Okay, all right. So if you want to be sure, you can just click here to see the difference. So you can see. So these areas in red are the parts, means the tool enters the parts. So these areas in green are not machined yet, but these areas in red, you can see here. So the red part means the tool enters the part. Alright.